Introduction. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about computer vision. Computer vision is a field of computer science that deals with the extraction of meaning from digital images or videos. Computer vision is used in a wide variety of applications, including self-driving cars, virtual reality, medical imaging, security, retail. What is computer vision? Computer vision is a complex field, but at its core it's about computers understanding the world around them. Computer vision systems are trained on large data sets of images and videos, and they learn to identify patterns in the data. For example, a self-driving car might be trained on a data set of images of the road. The system would learn to identify objects in the road, such as other cars, pedestrians, and traffic signs. The potential of computer vision. The potential of computer vision is truly limitless. Computer vision has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. For example, computer vision could be used to create more immersive and realistic virtual reality experiences. Computer vision could also be used to make medical imaging more accurate and efficient. The challenges of computer vision. One of the biggest challenges facing computer vision is the complexity of the world. The world is full of noise and ambiguity, and it can be difficult for computers to make sense of it all. Another challenge facing computer vision is the lack of data. Computer vision systems need to be trained on large data sets of images and videos, and it can be difficult to collect and label this data. Ensuring the responsible development of computer vision. It's essential that we address these challenges in order to ensure that computer vision is used for good. We need to develop computer vision systems that are accurate and reliable, and we need to establish clear guidelines for the development and use of computer vision. We also need to have an open and informed discussion about the ethical implications of computer vision. We need to foster public awareness and engagement in shaping the future of this powerful technology. The future of computer vision. The future of computer vision is bright. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Here are a few specific examples of how computer vision could be used in the future. Computer vision could be used to create realistic and immersive virtual worlds that are indistinguishable from the real world. This could revolutionize the way we play games, watch movies, and even interact with each other. Computer vision could be used to develop new forms of medical diagnosis and treatment. For example, computer vision could be used to identify cancer cells in images or to track the progress of a patient's rehabilitation. Computer vision could be used to improve the efficiency of transportation and logistics. For example, computer vision could be used to automatically drive cars, track cargo shipments, and optimize traffic flow. Computer vision could be used to make our cities safer and more livable. For example, computer vision could be used to monitor crime, detect hazards, and provide assistance to people in need. The possibilities for computer vision are endless. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more exciting and innovative applications in the years to come. The challenges of computer vision. While the future of computer vision is bright, there are also some challenges that need to be addressed in order to ensure that the technology is used for good. One challenge is the potential for bias. Computer vision systems are trained on data that is often biased, reflecting the prejudices and biases of human society. This can lead to computer vision systems perpetuating discrimination in areas such as hiring, lending, and criminal justice. Another challenge is the potential for misuse. Computer vision could be used to develop autonomous weapons that could kill without human intervention. Computer vision could also be used to manipulate information, control infrastructure, and even start wars. It is important to address these challenges in order to ensure that computer vision is used for good. We need to develop computer vision systems that are fair and unbiased, and we need to establish clear guidelines for the development and use of computer vision. Conclusion: the future of computer vision is a bright one, but it is also a challenging one. We need to be mindful of the potential risks of computer vision, but we also need to be excited about the potential benefits. By working together, we can ensure that computer vision is a force for good in the world. Call to action. If you are interested in learning more about computer vision, there are a number of things you can do. Read about computer vision research. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries. Talk to experts in the field of computer vision. They can give you a first-hand perspective on the latest developments. Get involved in the conversation about the ethical implications of computer vision. Your voice matters. By taking these steps, you can help to shape the future of computer vision and ensure that it is used for good. Additional information. Here are some specific examples of how computer vision is being used today. Self-driving cars use computer vision to navigate the road and avoid obstacles. Virtual reality headsets use computer vision to track the user's head movements and create a realistic virtual environment. Medical imaging systems use computer vision to identify diseases and abnormalities. Security cameras use computer vision to detect suspicious activity. Retail stores use computer vision to track customer behavior and optimize inventory. These are just a few examples of the many ways that computer vision is being used today. As computer vision technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Exciting examples of computer vision. In addition to the examples mentioned above, here are a few more exciting examples of how computer vision is being used today. Computer vision is being used to develop new forms of art and entertainment. For example, computer vision-powered art installations can create immersive and interactive experiences. Computer vision is being used to improve the efficiency of manufacturing. For example, computer vision-powered robots can inspect products for defects. Computer vision is being used to make our cities safer. For example, computer vision-powered systems can monitor traffic and detect crime. The possibilities for computer vision are endless. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more exciting and innovative applications in the years to come.